We're so excited to announce our Support Your Roots collaboration with Kids of Immigrants. This box was created by Rizos Curls and Kids of Immigrants to encourage you to support your roots. We included a plantable card so you can grow a wildflower in your own home. We included quotes from our founder, Julissa Prado, and Kids of Immigrants co-founder, Daniel Buezo. We included a sticker sheet with 4 limited edition stickers. The Rizos Curls Scalp Massage Brush, which is great for exfoliating your scalp. The Rizos Curls Nourish Oil, which is amazing for hydration on your hair, scalp, and skin. The Rizos Curls Scalp Scrub, which is great for exfoliating your scalp. Rizos Curls Vitamin C Hair Repair Mask with a thick formula that is great for repairing your hair. This collaboration came from 2 brands wanting to honor their roots and the cultures that they came from. Whether it's showing up for your community or showing up for yourself, everyone honors their culture differently. Make sure to plant a seed of love to choose you and love you. It's how we honor our roots.